Welcome back. This is Nancy Christy-Moore, and today we're going to paint over our gessoed surface that we gessoed last time. So if you'll come on over here to the demonstration table, we'll get started. Here's our demonstration from last time where we gessoed out a painting we didn't like. And so I'm going to show you today what happens when you paint over it. Now you can use watercolor or acrylic, it doesn't matter. Watercolor is transparent and acrylic will tend to be more opaque. So we're going to start with some warm tones, some yellows. This is a cadmium yellow. We're just going to go over the white to show you what happens. I'm going to put this in here. Put some more yellow down in here. So basically you can change or alter the color after you put the gesso on. You can alter your color. Now here's what you can do if you want to thin out that color, is you add some water and it thins out. See that? I'm just adding water, nothing else. You can also lift the watercolor that you have placed on there right back off of that gesso. So if you decide to change your mind, which I do very often, and put another color in, you just lift it off by putting a damp brush over the surface and brushing it on. And then it gets in the brush, you see that, the paint's in the brush, and then I put the paint right here on my paper towel and then I clean out my brush and I do it again. I can go back to the white gesso or just leave it as a faint color. Okay, now I can put another color in there, and for this demonstration I'm just going to use a red, show you. Okay, here goes the red where the yellow was. So you can change your colors all over the place, and it's very forgiving. There's some artists that even start with a gessoed surface so they can change their mind anytime they want, completely get rid of the watercolor or whatever. Now with acrylics, if you don't get it up right away while it's wet, it's going to set up and you're not going to be able to get it off. That's the difference between watercolors and acrylics. But now you see what you can do on a gessoed surface. So this is why so many artists, water media artists, rely on gesso, and we love it because we can have do-overs all the time and change paintings very dramatically just by applying gesso and then painting different colors into it. And that's all for today. I hope you'll go and try this yourself at home, and I'll see you next time.